Welcome back to CarWow 787, your trusted source for everything engines, power, and performance. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world of powerful machines. In today's video, we're taking a close and in-depth look at the Perkins 2206D diesel engine, one of the most robust, reliable, and high-performance industrial engines in its class. The Perkins 2206D diesel engine is a heavy-duty, high-displacement power unit designed for use in a wide variety of demanding applications, from generators to industrial machinery, large construction equipment, and even marine use in some cases. This engine is built to deliver both performance and endurance. Known for its rugged build and consistent output, the 2206D has gained respect in the market for being a true workhorse under pressure. What makes the Perkins 2206D so reliable? It all starts with the core design. This engine features a 6-cylinder, 4-stroke cycle with turbocharged and aftercooled options available, depending on configuration. It delivers smooth, linear torque across the power band and maintains impressive fuel efficiency even at higher workloads. The engine is designed to run in tough environments without compromising on durability or uptime, which is exactly what industries require in high-stakes operations. When we talk about numbers, the Perkins 2206D doesn't disappoint. This engine delivers power in the range of 400 to 500 horsepower depending on the configuration and tuning. Its displacement is around 13 liters, which gives it ample breathing room for serious performance. The torque output is well above 1800 Newton meters, making it ideal for equipment that needs not just raw power, but the kind of torque that can move mountains literally. The cooling system on the 2206D is worth mentioning too. It uses a liquid-cooled system with a high-capacity radiator and optimized coolant flow. This keeps the engine temperature stable even under extended loads, reducing the risk of overheating and component fatigue. Perkins has done a great job with thermal management, which plays a big role in the engine's long service life. Another highlight is the fuel system. The Perkins 2206D uses a direct injection system for precise fuel delivery. This not only ensures better combustion and lower emissions, but also improves overall fuel efficiency. For operators running engines for 10 to 12 hours a day, this difference in efficiency really adds up over time, both in performance and in cost savings. Noise and vibration levels are surprisingly well managed for an engine of this size. Perkins engineers have integrated balancing systems and upgraded mounts to reduce vibration transmission. This makes the engine smoother and more stable when operating inside a generator set or mounted on heavy-duty equipment. Maintenance is always a key factor when choosing a diesel engine. The Perkins 2206D was designed with serviceability in mind. Key components are accessible, and the engine supports a preventive maintenance schedule that extends uptime. Regular oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections are easy to perform, and parts are widely available, which reduces downtime in case of failure. The overall maintenance intervals are competitive, often reaching up to 500 hours between services depending on use and conditions. The build quality of the Perkins 2206D is top-notch. The block is cast from high-strength iron, and the internals like the crankshaft, pistons, and camshaft are forged for longevity. You can see the attention to detail in the way components are fitted and balanced. Perkins has kept quality control tight, which shows in the engine's reliability record over years of operation in various sectors. Speaking of sectors, the versatility of the 2206D cannot be overstated. It's a common sight in power generation systems, especially in prime and standby gensets. It's also used in construction machinery like large excavators, wheel loaders, and mining trucks. Some marine configurations even adapt the engine for propulsion or onboard power, thanks to its high torque output and robust cooling system. Whether it's a generator running 24/7 or a loader moving heavy loads on a construction site, the Perkins 2206D fits in effortlessly. Emissions compliance is a growing concern in diesel engine design, and the Perkins 2206D does offer configurations that meet various international standards including Tier 2 and Tier 3, depending on the region. That said, the engine is better suited for environments where ultra-strict emission laws are not enforced, or where after-treatment systems are added externally. Another point worth noting is its adaptability. The Perkins 2206D can be customized to a wide range of applications. Whether you need a dry-type air cleaner, a custom flywheel housing, different turbo configurations, or electronic control options, Perkins offers flexibility with its auxiliary components and options packages. The engine's ECU electronic control unit is capable of real-time monitoring and diagnostics, which helps fleet managers and operators catch issues before they become serious. This is especially valuable in commercial settings, where engine failure can mean massive downtime and lost revenue. The ECU also allows remote monitoring in many setups, depending on the generator or machinery system it's installed in. One more reason why many buyers and operators prefer this engine is its cost-to-performance ratio. While it's not the cheapest engine on the market, the Perkins 2206D delivers exceptional value. You get high output, solid build, efficient performance, and minimal maintenance headaches all in one package. Over a 10-year operating period, the total cost of ownership makes it a very smart investment, particularly in regions where fuel cost and uptime are critical business metrics. Now let's talk about availability. Depending on your region, the Perkins 2206D is available through authorized dealers or equipment manufacturers. Many generator brands pair this engine with their high-end gensets, which speaks volumes about its performance and trust in the industry. Spare parts are also relatively easy to source, and many third-party suppliers stock compatible filters, gaskets, and electrical components. If you're considering this engine for your next project, be it a generator, industrial machine, or even a marine setup, it's worth checking with your local distributor about configuration options, warranty, and support. Most units come with a factory warranty that covers manufacturing defects and includes options for extended support. To sum it up, the Perkins 2206D diesel engine is a powerful, durable, and versatile choice for demanding industrial applications. It brings together performance, efficiency, and reliability in one engine block. Whether you're looking to power a job site, keep your operations running, or simply invest in long-term performance, the 2206D has what it takes. It's not just an engine, it's a dependable partner built to handle real-world challenges. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the Perkins 2206D diesel engine. If you found this video helpful, informative, or interesting, please give it a like and share it with others in the industry. If you've had experience with this engine or have questions about it, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel name and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. We've got more engine reviews, tutorials, and real-world performance tests on the way.